Here we have the electrical service coming over the top, attaches to the mast, comes down through a metal basically conduit pipe into the meter, out of the meter, down through this electrical wire, main service, and into the house. What I want to talk about here is if you look at this service cable, you can see that it's starting to crack and peel. Well, what happens is this is a cloth sheathing, and what'll happen is this will deteriorate to a point where the wires inside will actually be exposed. And when you see it starting to crack like this, you really should have it replaced. So just wanted to show that to you. We have, again, the overhead service line that comes from the pole to the roof and down. Quick tip for you.